Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I have some very important information to impart to you today, and it has to do with the property market here in Italy overall, but mostly in our Riviera di Cedri. I was talking to both Yvonne and Lucia yesterday, and oh my goodness, there's a lot happening here, especially in the Scalea area. And what's happening is there are a lot of people, of course, coming over for our channel, which has been ongoing and has created a pop in the market in various different areas. But also people coming over from Eastern Europe, places like Ukraine, like Czech Republic, Poland, a lot of people coming over from that area because I think they might be getting nervous, unfortunately. So that is kind of driving the prices up here too. Now, if you look at the graphs, I downloaded some graphs from Immobiliare IT to show you some of the costs and things that have been going up or staying the same or whatever, to try to find what I think is going to be some of the best deals to have. Now, of course, the Baia del Carpino area in Scalea is getting hot. There's a lot of people moving in. There's a lot of people renovating properties. It is an absolutely beautiful area and it's really starting to take off. Now, that said, Scalea in general has gone shooting up, like way high, higher than it was. I mean, it used to be like super affordable. It's still affordable. It's still way less than you would pay in the north of Italy, but it's just a lot more expensive than we're used to being down here for the last 12, 13 years. We've seen ups and downs, but it really shot up since we got here. So yeah, so what I was seeing when I looked at these graphs, Scalea's gone up. You can still do pretty well in Scalea. There are some less expensive properties. Now, where are the best deals as far as I can see? Well, there's places that have not really started to really take off yet. One of them is San Nicola, which I was quite surprised about. And there are some places up in the Villaggio del Bridge area if you're looking for a holiday home, and some things coming on the market which are really exciting, and I'm going to be featuring them with Yvonne De Luca on the channel because they are really pretty exciting. You saw the foreclosures a couple years ago. Well, this is another thing kind of like that, but maybe it might be even a little bit better than a foreclosure. So there's that. And then also San Nicola itself is very beautiful. The historic center is stunning. It's gorgeous. It's a little farther from the sea. You do have to take a shuttle or an e-bike down to get to the beaches, but the views from up there are spectacular. So San Nicola is a very desirable area, very nice. Another place, as I've been saying, is Belvedere Marittimo. Now it's starting to see some upward movement, but not like we're seeing in Scalea and the surrounding area. So that's another one you want to keep an eye on. That's where you're going to get some really good bargains. Now, Diamante popped up super high, so you know that's always been a super desirable area. The other place is Santa Maria del Cedro, which is beautiful. It has a cute little historic center. One of the best restaurants that I've experienced is right there in the historic center, Il Vecchio Casale, which is so good. I still dream about their pasta at night. So those are the places you can kind of look if you're really budget conscious. Now, if you really want Scalea, if you really want Baia del Carpino especially, which is where Justin and Michael were, you really got to make a move pretty soon because, like I said, it's hot, and it's just getting hotter. Now, Italy in general is going up as well. And again, I think there's a lot of people that are looking to have a place to go if something goes wonky with the wars and whatnot over there in Eastern Europe. However, Scalea and certain areas around here have gone way up a lot faster than we've seen just in Italy in general. So there you go, guys. That's our snapshot of the real estate market here in Italy. Stay tuned to the channel. We're going to be featuring all kinds of cool things and exciting news, and we'll see you soon.